Hi everyone, a big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have lost my voice, so I'm going to try my best to try my best to talk to you guys. I sound like a foghorn. So I did a poll on Instagram. I wasn't too sure whether to post this kind of video in these times. I thought it might be a little bit inappropriate, but I left it up to you guys to choose, and 91% of you wanted to see this video. So a little bit of a backstory. I bought I have two new handbags. I had my eye on them for ages. There was a certain type of bag that I really wanted, and I'd worked my ass off this whole last year, and it got to January this year, and you know what, I was like, I'm gonna treat myself. I have saved my ass off. I know I'm trying to justify it, I don't know why. Maybe because I need to justify it to myself, I don't know, but I have saved my ass off. I've never bought anything really for years and years and years, and I was like, do you know what, I'm gonna buy myself a handbag. This girl bought herself two. I bought myself two handbags, and I got them from, I always get my handbags from We Buy Designer Exchange. It's called online, We Buy Designer in real life. That doesn't make any sense. Designer Exchange online, We Buy Designer on Instagram, as if I just called Instagram real life. What? The insanity has started. The incubation, the quarantine, the insanity is coming through already. So We Buy Designer Exchange is where you can buy and sell your handbags. So I always buy my handbags secondhand. I'm not living the life of luxury where I can afford to buy like several brand new handbags. To get into the kind of luxury handbag market, I go secondhand. It's also a great way to sell handbags on. So for instance, 2 years ago I bought a Louis Vuitton and I sold it on for double the price. So if you can see where the handbag trends are kind of coming, you can kind of predict whether you can get more for your money. So you can kind of be like a handbag trader. It's kind of cool. So I had, like, I don't know if you guys remember, it was a Louis Vuitton. It's the one that's all on trend now, and I sold it for double the price that I bought it. So you can actually be quite savvy with handbags if you want to be. I haven't got corona, guys, I promise you. I hope. I just have lost my voice. Okay, so I have bought a Prada Galleria, I think that's how I pronounce it, handbag. This is the box. I just meant to sing that, but nothing kind of came out. So I'm gonna do this. Drum roll. So this year I really wanted to invest in items. As sustainability got more and more, I really wanted to not just buy like loads of stuff all the time, because I was so used to do my haul videos that I know that's how my channel grew, but I feel like I've grown as my channel has grown as a person, and what I like has changed. I still always love Zara, the high street. You can get some impeccable things on there that can last a lifetime, but I've also looked into things that will last me a lifetime. Like when I look for clothes, I'm not looking for trend pieces, I'm looking for things that will last me a lifetime. And what I do love about handbags is that I will be wearing this handbag right now when I'm 90 years old. I'm going to be that 90-year-old crazy lady with stilettos on and a Prada handbag. And that for me is something that I'm going to look into more and more as I purchase through the years. Fast fashion, I feel like it's becoming more and more distasteful if it's bought in mass. So anyway, that's a little backstory on why I got this out. I was looking for one that fitted my laptop in it. I should probably go get my laptop. I wanted one that would fit my laptop in, that I could carry around every day, that went with a lot of things. So this is the handbag. I feel like I'm showing you my brand new baby for the first time. Hey cutie, how are you today? So it's got a little top handle like this. This is it. I wanted to ask you guys, we were trying to figure it out in the shop. I have absolutely no clue what this little hole is for. For me, this feel like it serves absolutely zero purpose, but every single Prada bag has it on. I'm not entirely sure. It's plain on the back. It is literally the simplest bag, but I thought it looked really well made. It's got your open pocket, which is actually filled with tissue right now. But it's got the zip ones for security, you know, for your purse and stuff like that. Pickpockets, they are out in force. Also got a crossbody strap, which is actually too long, which I like because I find a lot of designer handbags have a really long strap as if everyone's like 7 foot, and when you're 5'4", they always trail on the floor. So it's got a really nice strap to go with it, which is quite nice to hang off the bag as well, like I saw. So yeah, this is my new Prada bag. I'll write the name of the bag across the screen. I'll tag all We Buy Designer details in the description box. You can buy and sell online, like you don't have to go to the actual shop, but they do have shops in Kensington, Chelsea, Knightsbridge. This was bought with my own money. I would like to just keep that out there. And yeah, they have one in Birmingham, Manchester, and they have one in Spain as well, but I think they do ship globally. If they ship globally, I'll put a here because I don't know, but I will know by the time I edit this. So I would usually do a lot of like styling, like over the top here of me outside walking through London, but you know guys, I can't do that right now. So I just wanted to show you the handbag, and I hope you're all doing really, really well. I will be styling this with some of my outfit videos in front of the mirror, guys. I don't know if you've watched my Insta stories, but I bought a 6-foot mirror. A 6-foot by 4'7" mirror. It's currently in the hallway downstairs and I have absolutely no idea how to get up into my flat. I live on my own. I don't really want to invite anyone into my flat right now because, you know. So you know when you have those moments of madness and you buy a 6-foot mirror for no reason, and then you think, why did I just do that? It doesn't make any sense. So the mirror diaries will continue as I figure out. We were laughing because I was like, I'm gonna invite a hot man back for a date and be like, by the way, while you're here, can you just carry that huge mirror up the stairs? I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just leaving it there for the foreseeable future anyway. Maybe I'll show you. Maybe I'll take you to see the mirror in a vlog. It's huge. It's so big. My thought process was, before the actual like sensible thought process took place, was that it would make my flat, because I have to spend a lot of time in my flat, I was like, if I got a huge mirror, it would make it seem bigger, it would make it seem brighter, lighter, and I wouldn't get crazy as quick. But it's currently just blocking the hallway downstairs. So yeah, this is my bag. Hope you liked it, and stay tuned for more videos. Do let me know below, guys, what kind of videos you'd like to see from me. I'm really struggling at the moment to figure out, not struggling, I'm quite enjoying the like break from like, I'm sorry, this has turned into like a good chat rather than like a designer handbag haul. As an influencer, you kind of just go on like a roundabout and you churn out loads of content without like really, this is the first time I've actually like stopped and thought about creating different content, and I'm quite liking just sitting down and chatting with you guys and do different types of videos and sharing little insights into my life with you, because before I think it was just fashion, which I'm still gonna do, by the way, guys. I'm gonna do more of like, coming soon, like more of like a loungewear, sleepwear. I love a nightie. You might have known on my Insta stories. I love a nice nightie, so I'm gonna share with those kind of things with you. Anyway, I'm really rambling. That's my bag, my handbag. I'm gonna keep the stuffing in it because it's not gonna go out for a while. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all safe and well wherever you are. I'm always here to chat, you know. I like to message you guys back on Instagram stories and stuff, so definitely stay in contact if you're feeling lonely, because I'm here to help, because I'm here too, not doing much. And yeah, I hope you guys are staying safe and well and sane, and like keep yourselves busy, stay productive, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye. Try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes.